today I got a brake situation to deal with, and a cat situation to deal with, it looks like, too. There you go, thank you. What we got here is mushy brakes. The pedal goes almost all the way down to the floor. I probably got about a good 2 inches. But very mushy. Even with the motor started for the vacuum assist. Very mushy. And it's nose diving a little bit. So that tells me that the front brakes are working more than the back brakes. First thing to do, check for fluid. That one's just about empty. But I expected that. Back one's just about empty also. They're actually connected in the middle here, so to a certain extent. So now when the back one gets low, I know it's all that fluid's got to be going somewhere. So, no leaks here. No leaks down here. So we go hunt for the leak. Fortunately, we know where to look. Done this 100 times before. Alright, what we have here is a wet brake cylinder. A wet brake drum. Now you can see where all the fluid's going. See that drip there? This is all wet. Wet from the inside out. It's not wet coming down the back. The outside's okay. So that tells me that the brake line is not leaking at the wheel cylinder. Leaks inside the brake drum somewhere, which is where the wheel cylinder lives. Yep. There's the evidence. Brake fluid dripping out of the brake drum. No problem.